How to set your friends list private on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can set our friends list private on Facebook. So without any delay, let's go ahead and look out on how we can make our friends list private on Facebook. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. First of all, open up your browser. After that, simply head over to the facebook.com in your browser and log in into your account. After you have successfully logged in into your Facebook account, in order to make your Facebook friends list private, just go ahead and locate the option called Settings and Privacy at the top right corner by clicking on your profile. After that, you may go ahead and click on Settings or Privacy Center. We're just going to go to the Settings and Privacy. After doing so, on the left side, you can find the settings and privacy settings here. Just scroll a bit until you are able to find this option called how people can find and contact you. Just go ahead and click on that option. And here you can see who can see your friend request. So below that option, you can find this option called who can see your friend list. In order to change your audience and make it completely private, just choose that second option. And here we are going to choose our audience here. So you may just go ahead and choose your audience from this list. Since we are making it completely private, just go ahead and click on only me. After that, click on done and apply the changes. And then that's it. That is how you basically make your friend list private. So therefore, follow the same steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.